Customer states no brakes. First thing we're going to do is start our invoice and check brake fluid reservoir. Yep, we're definitely low on fluid. Let's go ahead and get this car up in the air and check for brake line leaks. Let's top off our fluid. Pump our brake fluid to get the juices flowing. After about 20 pumps, I hear something squirting out. You can see plain as day, we got a leak from the brake lines right here. Let's get this cover off. Yep, those lines are nasty. All right, we definitely have a blown out brake line. So let's go ahead and get that started here. There's no labor guide amount for brake lines. It's just however long it takes is however long it takes. So let's get it. We're on the clock and getting it done. Here's our first line cut out and ran. The last line going on. Got a wheel cylinder with a snapped off bleeder, so let's add that to the bill. All right, finishing up our parts here. Good to go, let's hit save. All right, we got that new wheel cylinder installed, so let's crack this bleeder open. Now let's bleed some brakes. I'm gonna pump it up a few times and wait for all the air bubbles to be gone. Job is done, brakes feel great. Test drive went well. Now we simply just send this invoice out.